Today we'll be demonstrating user functionality of the Texecom Premier Elite panel. In the event that your entry time runs out, the alarm system will go into alarm. This is the same alarm state as if the alarm has been activated from an intruder or any other area of the alarm system. When the alarm system activates, you'll hear the sound from the keypad. You need to present your fob and it will immediately display the area of the alarm system that is activated. When you're ready to reset the alarm system, press reset, present your fob, and press reset. The alarm system is now clear and ready to arm again. In the event of a power cut, the keypad will display system alerts and mains power off. You will hear every few minutes a little chime to remind you that the power is off. Once you've established power is back on again, you can present your fob and reset the alarm, and now it's ready to set. So this is how to perform a remote reset on the Texecom Premier panel. First, present your fob. On the keypad will be displayed the zones that have activated. Press reset for your anti-code. The code displayed must be then reported to your alarm receiving centre, whereby they will give you the anti-code. Once you have the anti-code, you enter the code into the keypad. You hear a chime of acceptance and the alarm system is now reset. Should your Texecom Premier panel activate whilst unset, you will hear this tone. To silence the alarm, present your fob. The alarm system will now display the fault which has activated the alarm. Please ring the telephone number below where we could be of further assistance.